Hey, this is Ray. I am not a doctor, but today we're talking about snoring. Could getting rid of snoring be as easy as taking a vitamin supplement? According to this doctor, the answer is yes. This is Dr. Ludwig Johnson.
Para dejar de roncar, entre otras cosas, además de perder peso, toma vitamina B1. Para dejar de roncar, además de perder peso, entre otras cosas, supleméntate con vitamina B1. Es posible que dejes de roncar porque los músculos que están flácidos dependen de B1 y podrías corregir el ronquido. Nada más con corregir B1.
So there you go. Basically what he's saying is that if you take B1, it helps with the flaccid muscles that are responsible for your snoring at night, among other things. So according to him, if you supplement with B1 and you're doing it right, some of the snoring may go away. Let me know.